Hey everybody, welcome back to the String Swap YouTube channel. Once again, my name is Jason. I know why you're here today. You're here to see the final video of the Fender Squier Strat rebuild. As you may remember, our original plan for this guitar was just a straight blue paint job that I was going to do myself. I in fact had the paint on the guitar when I realized that that's pretty selfish and that's not what String Swap's about. What we want to do is get a little help from our friends. So we reach out to Nate Nash out in Houston, Texas, who's going to help us paint this the right way.
We're here at Alva Graphics with Eduardo. He hooked me up with some supplies. As you can see, I like the paint scheme I've picked out so far. Eduardo was a big help, got me everything I needed, got the right stuff for the job. It's rule number one, always have the right tools. And if you need tools in town here in Houston, come to Alva Graphics.
Alright, so we got our supplies ready to paint the guitar. I'm just going to go through these real quick, show you what I got. First we have a can of Kills primer. Being that you sanded it down to the raw wood grain, really want to lay a primer down on this and sand that a little. Got some sandpaper. Get a good primer coat on here just so the wood isn't soaking in the paint. After we do that, I've got a selection of Montana 94 spray paint here and a few kind of teal green colorway going up to a blue. I'm not sure exactly what combination I'm going to do, but probably like a 3-color fade from bottom to top, and you know, same thing on the back. After that, we'll take whatever color we don't use predominantly and try to paint the pick guard and other pieces with that. That way it stands out against the fade in the background. After that, we're going to do the letter styles on the guitar. I got some water-based Montana paint pens that we're going to use to do that. So those are going to be nice. After that's all finished, we've got some varnish here that we're going to spray all over the guitar and all the parts just to give it a nice clear coat finish and just a little bit of a gloss, a little bit of a shine, not too much. So that's what we got. Now let's go to painting.
Alright, so I did a 2-color fade on the body using these Montana 94 paints. One of them is called Beryl Green. That's the darker one. The lighter one is called Emerald Green. I started with the dark towards the bottom and faded it towards the top. As you can see, I put some light splatters in there. It kind of brings out, because without those it's hard to see the two colors. They're really close together, so the fade's really tight, but with the splatters, I don't know, you can't see it in this video, the lighting's kind of bad. With that, it just adds another dimension to it, gives it a little more detail, so I think you'll like it.
Alright, I'm about to paint the pick guard, the pickup covers, the back cover, and the tone and volume knobs. Alright, so the body's been spray painted. I'm now halfway through the coloring of the lettering, which I penciled on the body.